Some of you are struggling in quantitative methods. I've noticed some patterns in your homework assignments as well as your midterm quizzes. Perhaps a quick suggestion may help improve your performance. Oh no, I bombed the midterm. Even though the quiz was open book, I didn't know where to start on some of the problems. If that's how you feel, perhaps it's your approach to studying mathematics that failed you. Don't give up. Instead, why not try something new? Hey, it couldn't hurt. Let's start with your approach to homework assignments. Say, for example, that you are studying confidence intervals. See if the approach we outline is similar to your actions. You browse the text, then review your notes or the online guided solutions. You try working the homework assignment problem, maybe working backward from the check value. If that doesn't succeed, you seek out a study group or a tutor, toss your assignment problem in front of them, and plead for help on this problem. After all, the homework deadline is fast approaching. You get your answer, and it's on to the next problem. You can readily see the flaws in this approach. Back in step 2, you may not have adequately understood the solution process. In step 3, you become frustrated. And by step 4, all you want is an answer to keep you moving through the assignment. This is similar to the approach of the proverbial drunken sailor searching for buried treasure. You eventually discover the clues and ultimately get to the treasure, or problem solution. But your solution process is not something you can easily replicate. If the next problem is worded slightly different, do you understand the concepts well enough to adapt and solve it? The key to success is reinforcing the concepts and solution process by repeated self-testing. Here is what I recommend. As before, read the text, but critically, searching for information. Understand why this topic is important. Highlight any keywords, and get an idea of where this process will end up. Review any class notes and associate the steps in the in-class or online exercise with keywords and any text example. Do the terms and individual calculations make sense? Compare this solution to the example in the textbook. The text often includes 2 or 3 different ways to solve the problem. This duplication can be confusing. Cut through this duplication and highlight just the critical steps. After reviewing the in-class or online solution, download the same blank problem from Canvas and solve it yourself. It's okay to look back at the solution steps. Your goal is to replicate that process. This is the step that many students skip. You may want to rework this problem a couple times. Each time you work the problem, it reinforces the process in your memory. If, during this self-testing process, you don't understand something, seek help from another student or a tutor or your instructor. Your request now can be very targeted. Ask, "Can you help me understand this particular step?" Instead of the homework assignment, use the in-class or online exercise for your help session, so that you have the completed solution to compare what is discussed with the tutor. Oh, and of course be sure to download the blank exercise again after your help session and rework the problem once more. Self-testing is crucial. Lastly, work the homework assignment problem, applying the process you just learned. Note the keywords in this problem that differentiate it from other problems. If you encounter issues at this point, you should be able to resolve them expeditiously through research or by asking a very focused question. And one last point. When preparing for an open book, open notes test, you may find that you have too much information, resulting in paralysis. While preparing for the test, construct a good cross-reference of keywords so that you can quickly go from the test problem to a text reference or to a section in your notes or worked examples. You don't want to spend too much time figuring out where to look for some topic. Okay, if you're not satisfied with your grade and are looking for some new ideas, try this self-testing approach to homework and the keyword organization for your tests. Thanks and good luck.